Hello everyone. Now in Become Semester 1 Business Mathematics Unit 2 Applications of Differentiation, we are going to start our next topic, and that is the average cost, marginal cost and cost minimization. Okay. See, first of all, we learn about what is cost, marginal cost and average cost. See, total cost function, total cost function is given by C, is equal to C. Average cost is equals to C divided by X, and marginal cost is nothing but a derivative of C respect to X dc by dx. And for cost minimization we have to follow the steps of maximum and minimum values. So let us start our sums of average cost, marginal cost and cost minimization. This is our first question. The cost function is C equal to x cube plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 100. Okay. Question is asking that find marginal cost function, and another question is find average cost function. Okay. So in this question we have to find only marginal cost and average cost. So first of all, write down our question. Cost function C equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 100. This is our question. Okay. Now we are going to find marginal cost first. Marginal cost is equals to dc by dx, and dc by dx is equals to x cube 3x square plus 5x square, derivative is 10x, plus 2x, derivative is 2, and 100, derivative is 0. So this is marginal cost. Now find average cost. Average cost is equals to C divided by X. C by X means cost function x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 100 divided by X. Okay. Now dividing each term by X, and we will get x cube upon X plus 5x square upon X plus 2x upon X plus 100 upon X. Okay. Now x cancel out. So x cube upon x becomes x square plus 5x square upon x is equals to 5x plus 2 upon x. X cancel out, 2 left, plus 100 upon x. This is average cost function. Our next question is the cost function is C equal to x square by 5 plus 20x plus 50. Find marginal cost. Find marginal cost for producing 40 units. Listen, what is first production? X equals to what? X equals to always output, production, demand, supply, supply, etc., etc. And P is equals to always price. Okay. So here a question is asking that marginal cost, find marginal cost for producing 40 units means it is X. Okay. So first of all, find marginal cost. Marginal cost is equals to derivative of C respect to X dc by dx. Okay. So first of all, differentiate this function. X square derivative is 2x upon 5 plus derivative of 20x is 20 plus 50, derivative is 0. Okay, now what is our question? Find marginal cost of producing 40 units. So here we are putting production equal to x is equals to 40. Therefore marginal cost of producing 40 units is 2 into 40 by 5 plus 20. Okay, cut 40 by 5, it is 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 20 is equals to 36. So 36 units or 36 rupees is a marginal cost for producing 40 units. Next question is the total cost C for an output X unit is given by C equal to X square minus 40X plus 800. This is our cost function. Question is asking that find marginal cost when the output is 50 units, means we have to find marginal cost when x is given by 50, and also find the output when marginal cost is 10 units. Another question is asking that also find output means what, x, when marginal cost is 10 units. Okay, so two questions are asking here. First of all, we have to find marginal cost. Marginal cost function is equals to dc by dx, dc upon dx. dc upon dx is equals to derivative of c respect to x. X square derivative is 2x minus 40x, derivative is 40, 800 derivative is 0. Okay, now our first question. Our first question is find marginal cost when output is 50 units. So here we are putting x is equals to 50. Okay, therefore marginal cost is equals to what, 2x. 2x, instead of x we have to put 50. 2 into 50 minus 40, it is equals to 100 minus 40, and 100 minus 40 is equals to 60 units. Okay, another question is asking that find output for which marginal cost is 10 units. That means in this function we have to put marginal cost is equal to 10 units. Okay, so putting marginal cost is equals to 10 units. Okay, so our function, this is marginal cost function. Okay, instead of dc by dx we have to put 10. 10 is equals to 2x minus 40. Okay, now simplify for x, moving 40 to left side, 10 minus 40 becomes plus 40 is equals to 2x. Therefore, 2x is equals to 50. Therefore, x is equals to what? 50 by 2 is equals to 25 units. This is our answer. Okay. Okay, our next question is regarding cost minimization. The cost function of a firm is given by 1 by 25x square minus 6x plus 400. Find output. Question is find output for which the cost is minimum. Okay, so we have to find value of x when cost is minimum. Also, one more question is given that calculate this minimum cost. Okay. ચાલો તો મિનિમમ કોસ્ટ મેળવવા માટે આપણે શું કરવાનું તો કે મેક્સિમમ મિનિમમ વેલ્યુના સ્ટેપ્સ ફોલો કરવાના. So what is our first step? Our first step is to find dc by dx. dc upon dx is equals to derivative of c respect to x. 1 by 25 x square, derivative is x square, derivative 2x upon 25. 6x derivative is 6. Okay, next step is taking dc by dx is equals to 0. dc by dx equals to 0, and we will get value of x. Therefore, 2x upon 25 minus 6 is equals to 0. Moving 6 to other hand side, we will get 2x by 25 equals to 6. Therefore, 2x equals to what? 2x is equals to 6 into 25. Therefore, x equal to what? X is equals to 6 into 25 divided by 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, x is equals to 25 into 3, it is 75. This is our first answer. But see, x is asking for minimum cost, and we don't know for x is equals to 75 our cost is minimum or not. So તેના માટે શું કરવાનું? obtain second derivative. d square c upon dx square equals to, this is our derivative, 2x by 25, derivative is 2 by 25, minus 6, derivative is 0, and this is greater than 0, positive number. Therefore, cost is minimum for production or x is equals to 75. Okay, now we have to find this minimum cost. So first of all, write down our cost function. C is given by 1 by 25 x square minus, sorry, here it is not given, x square by 25 minus 6x plus 400. Okay, now putting x is equals to 75. Therefore, minimum cost function, minimum cost C minimum equals to 1 by 25 into 75 square minus 6 into 75 plus 400. Okay, चलो सॉल्यूशन मिल गई and आंसर मिल गए 75 स्क्वायर डायरेक्ट करना के सॉल्यूशन 75 into 75 is equals to 5625 divided by 25 225 225 minus 6 into 75 6 into 75 is equals to 450 450 plus here 400 is given not 40 400. Okay, so it is equals to 225 minus 450 plus 400 by minus 50 वच्चे 225 minus 50 is equals to 175. So minimum cost C minimum is equals to 175 and this is our answer. Okay, our next sum is also regarding minimum cost. The cost function for a firm is C equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 12. Okay. Find output x for which the cost is minimum. Okay. Find output for which cost is minimum. This is our first question to find x and also calculate the minimum cost. Minimum cost પણ આપણે find કરવાની છે. Okay. So first of all, find dc by dx. dc by dx is equals to derivative of c respect to x. 3x square derivative is 6x minus 6 derivative 6x derivative is 6 and 12 derivative is 0. Okay, next step is taking dc by dx equals to 0. Taking dc upon dx is equals to 0. Therefore, 6x minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore, 6x is equals to 6 and x is equals to 6 by 6 is equals to 1. So, x is equals to 1. But here we don't know for x equal to 1 our cost is minimum or not. So, for this statement find second derivative is per c upon dx square. And second derivative is derivative of dc by dx 6x derivative is 6 and minus 6 is 0 and it is greater than 0 and when second derivative is greater than 0 function is always a minimum, therefore cost is minimum or x is equals to 1. Okay, now find out this minimum cost. So this cost, write down C. Means cost function C is equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 12. Putting x is equals to 1. Therefore, C minimum equals to 3 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 12. 3 into 1 is equals to 3 minus 6 plus 12. So 12 plus 3 is equals to 16. 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. So minimum cost is 16 units. Okay, so students, here we complete this topic here and I hope that તમને બધાને સમજાઈ ગયું છે how to find average cost, marginal cost and cost minimum. So bye everyone, we will meet next time.